welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Señorita by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. So we're just going to be trying to replicate the guitar parts on the piano today. So I'm not going to be doing the melody line, just the chords, and it's the same 5 chords that run the entire way through the song. So I'm just going to teach you the chord progression and then you can fit that with the whole song. So we're going to look at the right hand chords first. And I've tried to be as accurate as I can with the inversions of the chords, so which order you play the notes in as well. So the voicings of the chords, again trying to replicate the guitar. So the first chord is an A minor. So here is middle C on my piano for reference, and we're forming the chord of A minor around middle C. So that's A, C and E. And then the next chord is a C major 7. So in the right hand, we're going to play G, B, and E. And then when we come to play the left hand, we'll add the C in there. So effectively playing an E minor inversion in our right hand, but that is going to form a C major 7 chord. And then we're going to come up to this here, which is going to be an F major 7 chord, but in the right hand we're going to play C, E and A, so effectively an A minor inversion chord. And then we're going to move that shape down, which is going to form an E minor 7 chord when we add the left hand. So here we have B, D and G, so effectively playing a G major chord inversion there. And then we're going to play a G major chord inversion, which is D, G and B. So they're all the chords that you need in the right hand, and obviously there's like the bass line going on in the left hand as well. So we'll just go over those chords again. So we have A minor, C major 7, F major 7, E minor 7, and then G major. So obviously in the preview you heard me playing it in a more sort of staccato rhythmic way, which I'll show you in a bit. So let's look at the left hand. So you're first going to play an A with the A minor chord. And then we have this walking down bass line part, which goes A, G, E, D, and then into C with the C major 7 chord. And then you're going to do that again, which leads you into the F. So we're going to go A, G, E, D, and then that low F. And then we have F, E, C, A, and then low E, and then a G, and then just before we go back into the A minor chord, we have this C, D, B, C, G sharp, A. So I'll just